Eating beans is the sin of sins. The biggest, worst, and ugliest crime. People eating beans will never transmigrate. They deserve nothing but eternal punishment.
What? Are you serious? Is this rule only for soybeans? What about broad beans, snow peas, chickpeas? And what does it say about other bean-based products?
Beans are beans.
If I put one coffee bean in my mouth, will the vulture get me right away?
No way!
Whoa, easy, mate. Do you want to get physical? This pirate is not scared of you. Let go! Let go! What are you, a dog? Oh, Vertin! Sonetto! Lilia! Get her off me!
Oh.
What is going on here? 37, let go of the guest's head. Now. Why would you place the head of a guest in your mouth?
She said she's going to eat beans.
That does not justify your action. Come to think of it, is she safe to bite if she had consumed the beans? Wouldn't that make you the bean eater as well? The right way to deal with this is to throw the offenders into the sea. Let the Gorgon current take them and confine them in the ever-repeating circular motion.
Oh yeah, this is the most optimal solution.